Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a comparison between the Two Brothers and the Toce exhaust for the R1. This is the Toce, and I'll do a compare. I'll play the Two Brothers with just a slip-on, and then I'll do the Two Brothers with the cat delete, and then I'll do the Toce with the cat delete. No baffles. So I'll let you listen to that now. Not bad, not bad. If you want something that's super loud, that's what you get. Toce. If you want something that's more performance based for the Yamahas, go Graves. That was my choices were between the Graves and the Toce. I ended up going with Toce because I just wanted something loud. Anyways, peace.
I can go anywhere.
Suck my dick.